You going from this is like kind of like a little early video-ish, is me. But I don't think I'm going to keep you guys long here today. I'll show you what going. But there was this thing on Google. I don't know. It was some video like a little game you could play. Right here, I was going to show you guys, but that gone. So there was that. And I was doing the whole 876 thing on my channel, and this is what happened. I think I might just decide to, this is a copyright strike. You see me? Them copyright my video. So I was going to use the investment ish, so you just download it and send it back on YouTube and like run a couple ads on it and collect some money, but that no look like that work. But maybe do like a Telegram group or something like that with put whomsoever watch it and thing. But you have to subscribe, isn't it? But I don't know. Plus, this is my current network on YouTube. This is 1565. 1565. Analytics share. Oh, the funds rolling in right now. Rich like dogs. So never forget to it's not just Jamaicans are my audience. But yeah, $15.65 is my estimated. Anyways, so that's basically all going from Malta now. For my trading account, I am starting trading. I'm going to start trading tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow or Monday. One of them 2 days there. I'm gonna actually start trade, and I think so this is the thing. While I was like adding the music to the background and everything for the video, for this video in particular. Alright, so while editing our video for was it last week? Yeah, it was last week. Yeah, somewhere about that. I don't remember. The video that was started from I think 100 to 10K. Like when I was looking back, I was actually showing you guys a chart that I used when I was backtesting, but when I was doing it, I think the screen card I was using did not record that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run back through it, and then I'll explain this chart, and then probably can just like one back testing, and then we can call it a night. And then I think afterwards I will be doing what I do best, and probably PUBG, because it's crazy. But yeah. Alright, so for this particular video, I think what I'm gonna do, because I am unable to find my actual chart. I don't know, this is just like one that I've been back testing like personally back in the day, so a while. But basically what this does really is like number of trades, image before. I remember I was showing it where you just take a snapshot of like how the chart is at that point, and then afterwards you take another snapshot and show. So image before, image after, time entered. This was backtesting, so I never really put in any time, but time entered, the date, close time, like me when the trade closed, or what time and what date. And then these were some of the reasonings that I had. So this was like double bottom with quick rejecting, showing price wants to turn over. Like so much trading strategies are so really simple. So basically now currency pair would be EURJPY straight. I think probably that's going to be the only pair I trade. And then you have buy or sell balance. I started with $100, and we are currently at 5 bills, 557. But stop, as in stop loss in pips, would be here. So right, this would be 9.5 for the stop loss in pips, and take profit would be basically the opposite, which is here, which would be 29.4. Risk mean how much percent of the account I am risking at that particular point in time, and for this it was 5%. 5% of $100 is $5. So basically that was that. So, you know, it calculates the lots that you're supposed to use, you see, and basically the rest. These are the real focus on it. These are not focus on it. The reward percentage would be how much percent you would win, which is 15%, and how much percent you would lose also. But yeah, this now is just the status of the trade. So win loss, win loss. As you can see, first thing first, I have 20 wins and 21 losses, and that means a 40% win. So that means that, and then at the same time, it's like I've lost more than I've won, but this is trading with proper risk management. I actually have $457 basically from this, you know. So trading, as I say, from proper risk management is in it, you're good, because if you check the levels, like look at this, 457, and as I say, 20 wins, 21 losses, and it shows on this. So if you look right here, so you know, you see win, loss, loss, win, win, loss, loss, blah 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 blah. You see me? All the way up to when you win even $73 and them things there. So I just a matter of time until we start with $100. So basically, yo, if we can, I'll probably just continue on this. If I'm being honest, I'll probably just continue using this and see how it goes. See if we can probably carry to 10k. Cause we're already basically up 457 basically. So we could just do it, and what we can do one of these days, I don't know, cause I don't want to make the videos them too long, but I could like go back through all of these trades, show you the setups and everything, and if you guys like it, you know, you do it and whatever. But back testing in and out itself is different from actually trading, because there's a lot more that goes into it. You talk psychology, you talk, yo, if you decide to, oh, alright, you know, say, oh, can't get in that trade and everything here. When you're back testing, you know, you kind of control it, and you can actually speed up the process, isn't it? But like if regular trading, but if it's supposed to go from anything that you're doing now like this, it's supposed to be good, or even if you're getting half as much as this, from $100 to 5 bills or whatever, it's supposed to be golden funds. So now that is that. There's not really much to show on the chart, if I'm being totally honest. But what we're going to do now is show you what I saw. So after I saw this trade at work, and I was like, alright, so first thing first, I was on the 1 hour time frame, alright, but it looked more like just jumbo lines, and rather than draw a whole heap of trend and thing, I just looked at the immediate action, which would be all our wagon right here. So basically, so I'm just alright, I'm gonna see some bomb, it touch right here. So I went down to the 15 minutes, you know, to like get some clarification and thing. And then I saw, alright, 1, 2. I drew one rectangle. So alright, then basically touch, you know, whatever. Say touch. Plus on top of that, if you look right here, so it's legit like the same thing. So it's like head and shoulder, basically. And yeah, so I saw it. I placed my entry. I entered right at this wick right here, so the red one, and been just watching it throughout the day for work. So I think if I do the playback, it would be right here, because it was after this orange candle closed. It was right after this orange candle closed. So let me play it back a little bit. So basically after that, and then I see close come down right there. So I was like, alright, you know, I can enter, because your price touch right here. So and if you check the levels, I basically the same thing right here. So just like the broader market overall, say it was double top, it's just like national head and shoulder, but it was double top right there. So and basically, you know, this is the thing, it was a bomb, and then just enter right there. So put it in, say cover this, and since we code, me just put it over it, and you just played it out. played it out, and basically it was playing and playing. So maybe if I had made like this paper a bit shorter, but it was still under 10, so I never necessarily have anything to worry about. But if maybe I had like a one like 2.5 or so, I'd probably hit TPR. So but personally, if I was doing this trade, like after a certain time, like when I saw it come down here, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna come out. So for this, just say I come out right here. So I'm gonna come out like right here. So from the start till it start weaken himself. So go right here. I'll be modest and say 2.5. You see me? So 2.5 and then would be good. You see me? But yeah, me I enter with a win this trade. I would have called today. I think that was one trade I did. Like legit one trade I did. And it was okay. I kind of feel afraid though, because when I checked the levels and I started, I was a bit scared. Like, I don't know, it's new like the fear factor in me, because you know I haven't traded in like 1 month, you know, kind of timid. Plus I started like 250, which to me might not be a lot to some other people, but to me it's a lot. You see me? So yeah, but we're just going to use this. We're going to use this as one as well, since it go, and we'll just work from it. So what we're going to do, we're going to just put it back, put back it right here. We are going to take a snapshot of it basically, and we're just going to paste it in really. So we can just continue onwards with this. So we're going to paste it in, and then basically what we saw a double roof. Showing price want to go down, plus we saw a head and shoulder in the mix basically. So now you know is 0 JPY as per usual, and we are selling 5. This was 1 to 2.5, and I think we're 5%. So the pips was 9. Was it 9? 9.5. 9.5. So input it automatically. I'm risking 5%. 5%, sorry. 5% means a $28 risk per trade. That's a lot, you know. Personally, you know, 13% went low, but of course we had won that trade. So now we are supposed to be up. We are at 5 mash basically. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it play out, and then we're going to just take a snapshot of the play out, and then we'll basically just call it a day right here. So guys, if you check the levels, really I don't encourage anybody to like get sell in place here. For sure see your price being down here, but it must come back down here. So I would encourage nobody to try like even put it out right here. So you know, say, oh, yo, market can go there, so I'm come up. But you know, it was just me casually trading. It wasn't like even anything planned, because if it was planned, I'd probably start trading already from Friday. But you know, don't make little win come to your head, because you can lose it back set speed. You see me? So yeah. But basically, that was that for that particular trade, and yeah. Or just call it luck, you know, luck. LOL. So basically, I think if this video crosses like 10 minutes already, I won't do any more backtesting. But if not, we can probably do something. But I'ma see what is going on. Yeah, man, we're good. So guys, this is it. I don't really want to hold on. I'm gonna try to keep this is like on a 10-minute cap. Love you guys. Catch you in the next video. Peace.